Page 113, this is the one at the top of the page. Now we're improvising melodies and accompaniment. They're giving us the chord sequence. What chords to use when? And then it's up to us to make up the notes within those chords, I guess. First thing I want to do is figure out what the chords are. Now there's two flats in here in the key of B flat major, I'm guessing. It ends with a B flat chord, so I'm guessing that's the one chord. What I'm actually going to do is play this in both hands, because when I do the melody, I want to do mostly the notes in the chord. I can do other notes, but mostly I want the notes in the chord. So I'm going to do that. The B flat chord, and then we have an F7 chord, which is here, but they want the A on the bottom. So it's up here. Here. And then back to the B flat chord. B. And then the B flat 7, where we'll just add the A flat to it. And all of these are in root position except that second measure so far. And then for measure 5 we have an E flat here, except they want the B flat on the bottom. This is on the bottom, so I gotta come up to here. And then a C minor with an E flat on the bottom here. And then a B flat with an F on the bottom, which is here. And then an F7, which is a 5-7, and here. Okay, so I sort of know what the chords are. Now I want a melody that fits with that. First measure, B flat. They're giving us a suggested rhythm. You have to use that rhythm. You do yours, I bet. Here, where F7 is here with an A on the bottom. I just went from here to here. So I'm using that the 7 in the chord, but not the melody. I could put it in the melody if I wanted to. Then an E flat with a B flat on the bottom, here. And then here, with an E flat on the bottom. Here. So I kind of make up a melody that's using mostly the notes in the chord, but you can use passing notes and neighbor notes and other things next to them to make it sound okay. Then they're just suggesting a block chord accompaniment. Make up your own thing. Try other patterns for the left hand just to get kind of... with a B flat. And try other patterns. Can you do that? Yeah. Experiment.